Welcome to Elite Apps Discoveries, and don't forget to subscribe. Hey there, tech-savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best reviews and tutorials on the hottest mobile apps out there. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular money management apps in the USA and the UK, Cash App. Whether you're looking to send money to friends, pay bills, or invest in stocks and Bitcoin, Cash App has got you covered. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using Cash App. So, what exactly is Cash App? Developed by Block Inc., Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money instantly. It's available on both iOS and Android platforms, making it accessible to a wide range of users. First things first, let's get you started with setting up your Cash App account. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and enter your phone number or email address to sign up. You'll receive a confirmation code to verify your account. After verification, link your bank account or debit card to fund your Cash App account. Sending and receiving money on Cash App is as easy as pie. To send money, simply enter the amount you wish to send, tap Pay, and enter the recipient's email, phone number, or $cash tag. Add a note if you like, and hit Pay to send the money instantly. To receive money, share your $cash tag with the sender or let them scan your unique QR code within the app. Did you know that Cash App also offers a free, customizable debit card known as the Cash Card? You can use it to make purchases directly from your Cash App balance, both online and in-store. To order your Cash Card, tap on the card icon, personalize your card, and it will be mailed to you within a few days. Cash App isn't just for sending and receiving money. You can also use it to invest in stocks and Bitcoin. Tap on the Investing tab to buy, sell, or hold stocks and cryptocurrency. It's a fantastic way to start investing with as little as $1. One of the coolest features of Cash App is Cash Boost. With Cash Boost, you get instant discounts at your favorite stores and restaurants. Just activate a boost before making a purchase with your Cash Card to save money instantly. When it comes to your money, security is a top priority. Cash App uses encryption and fraud detection technology to keep your funds safe. Always make sure to enable security features like PIN entry and fingerprint recognition to add an extra layer of protection. And there you have it. A complete guide to mastering Cash App. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more app reviews and tutorials. Got any questions or tips about Cash App? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy transacting.